this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can add and remove a candidate from a list within the candidate record. So firstly, make sure you're in the candidate record you'd like to add to the list and then hover over View More. And then go down to the option where it says Add to List and a blue bar will appear. In this blue bar there's a drop down menu, and basically in here is all the available lists, and you can add them to as many or as little as you like. And you'll notice as well that there is a text box labelled Notes. People use this as a memo or to pop in little reminders. So say for example, I really like this candidate. And this will basically show up in the drop down of all the lists in the list section of Colleague. But say for example you'd like to add a new list as well, you can do this from this drop down by selecting New List. And then as you'll notice, a text box Add to New List will appear, and then here you put the title of the list you'd like to create. So say for example in this case I'll just name it Test List. And once you're happy with all the information you've selected, press OK. And then if you'd like to check this, you can go to the list section in Colleague, and where it says Select List, this basically is also a drop down of all the available lists, and you can check to see if the candidate has gone in, which they have. For example, the candidate's name is there and the note is there as well. And as you can see, the test list has appeared in this drop down as well, because we've created that new list and the candidate's in there and the note is there as well. You can delete the candidate out of the list from the list section in Colleague by selecting the red cross, and a blue bar will appear just to make sure that that's definitely what you'd like to do. If it is, you select yes, and you'll notice that the candidate is now come out of this list. However, you can also do this in the candidate record. So let's head back there. So you go back to the View More, and if you go down to the option Remove from List, it will show you all the lists that this candidate is within, and you just simply select the red cross and it will remove the candidate from those lists. I hope this helps.